everyone, so welcome back to the channel. I'm Erica. I'm going to be making a very quick corner room for this collab with the Real Prince Club. I don't exactly know how it's going to turn out because I am making it and it's like midnight and it's super hot, so I'm leaving the fan on, and if you don't like it, sorry, but like I said, it's freaking hot here in Oklahoma. So anyways, I have an Amazon box. I just cut it in halvesies, and so there's the back wall, there's the floor. It's still connected right down there, which is good. Right now it's like propped up against my sewing machine to hold it up, but I do want to make like some little notches or something so it will stay, because I do not want to glue it down. I want it to be able to be folded. So that is what I'm going for. I can't decide what I really want to do for the flooring, but I am leaning toward this paper. It's a peel and stick. I got it at Hobby Lobby on clearance for 74 cents. So I am leaning toward this. I think it looks vintage. I could be wrong, because we're making a vintage room. I think it's like themed around Regency. I don't know. She said that I said I would do this collab, and I am like way behind and so late on this, and I'm so sorry. So I am gonna try and make a really quick corner room for this collab. I don't exactly know what I'm gonna make, but I know I need to build the structure first, right? So I was going through what I have. I have that little, almost kind of like a Chase Lounge corner porcelain thing that I got. I need to like fix the leg under there because it's broken. And I have this rug that I made. I don't remember if I did a video on it or not, but I know I shared it somewhere. And it's just made out of fabric, lots and lots of fabric and some lace. So I made that last year. All I just need to do is iron it. It's mostly made out of tacky glue and a couple little pieces of thread. So right now I'm working on the fireplace. I love making fireplaces. So here is the back of the fireplace and the sides. I don't have any measurements for y'all. And then I went ahead and I cleaned up the inside by adding some extra weight to it, which is just like more structure. And now I'm just going to glue the face on. I don't have any measurements. I really don't. I'm sorry. But that is my fireplace. I am going to glue it all together and see what I got after that. Fireplace, because it was looking really boring, I did like add 4 layers of cardboard for the mantle part, and it kind of gives it that little ridge. I'm not covering this like completely or anything, because I don't know how often I'll use this room, and if I want to later on I can add tissue paper and make it better. But anyways, I added a hot glue crown molding. I'm calling it crown molding, and it's just one of those corner ones, and I'm just adding it to the corners of the fireplace, and it's this mold from Temu. I'm using that one. Glitter is nasty on silicone. Don't do it. Don't do it. But anyways, I think it's gonna look cute once I paint it. I'm not really sure about the color, but I am loving that blue wall. So this is what it's looking like so far. I loved this paper. It's like a vinyl and it's removable, so it's got like sticky on it, so that just made things so much easier. It's so beautiful. I love it, and I love it against that blue. Oh my goodness, I'm jealous of this doll. I'm jealous of my dolls sometimes. But anyways, so I need to get back to the fireplace. I have not finished it, but I went ahead and took a short break and went ahead and added the floor. And I think it can go all together. I think it kind of goes together. I don't know. But I know that the fireplace is going to be glued right here probably into the center. And then I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to put on the walls. Okay, so I am done for tonight, but I am going to come back at this tomorrow probably and to finish it up, because the walls are just like too blank. They need something. The reason why I did that peel and stick vinyl thing was because I needed something right there, and I don't have any mirror paper. If I would have had mirror paper, I would have put a mirror right there, just because, but I don't. So I did a decorative piece. It's not very Regency, but that's okay. I'm gonna go on my Cricut sometime this week, maybe tomorrow, depends on how hot it is, and fussy cut out some decals and stuff, everything out of cardboard. I have to use scissors to like recut it, because like the Cricut I have is the Cricut Explorer. But anyways, it's just as good. So anyways, I'm gonna add that to the walls. I'm thinking I might paint them white. And everything else is looking really cute and really good. I like how the floor kind of matches the seat, and the rug goes good with the walls and that flower decal. So, I mean, like, it looks really cute. I really like it, but I want to add something else to the walls because they're kind of plain, and I want to add something to that fireplace too. I was in the process of cutting some candlesticks, but I don't know where my beads are to add underneath, so I'll have to wait on that. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep working on it and come back to it. I know the flowers are just kind of weird, but I love adding plants and flowers to my rooms when I do have rooms. So this is actually the first room I've built in a very, 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 very long time. So there's that, and I do have some other things that are going to come along in this project, and I'm going to show you. So I got these off of Temu last year, and it was a necklace. Like, the teacups were necklaces. There's another teacup and it's missing. I really wanted the pink one, but I got the blue one, and this teapot was a separate necklace. So they're perfect size for the dolls. I already reviewed them, and I absolutely love them, and I think it's going to look really cute in this room. Like, I think it looks cute. I think it's a look. So I turned the fan off so you guys could, like, see the room. It's not complete, but I think I'm done with it for now. I did make some stuff on my Cricut, and I just ended up not really putting them all on there. And I should have just used white paper for that, but I ended up using gray paper, and then I had to paint it white. It was a whole thing. And then I ended up making a little cardboard frame. I was going to paint something, but I didn't know what to paint, and I kind of just want this project to be over with right now. But I do have my little Temu violin over here. It's so cute and fitting in here, and I had to search for a dog. I had to. I just think it makes it look so much cuter too with the little doggy. It's a Barbie playset. It's from a Barbie playset. I can't remember at the top of my head which playset it's from, but it is Barbie, and I love that little dog. It's so cute. And then there's my little medicine bottle planter thingy. And then we have the doll. I made this dress last year, and the top part is actually made out of a necktie. I love the detail on it. It's so pretty. So, and then I just use lace and blue for the skirt part of the dress. So anyways, that is my room. Thank you all so much for watching. Definitely go check out the Real Prince Club Lou's video. I can't wait to see what room she had come up with, because she had this already done pretty much in a year, and I don't remember. So I had to whip this up in 2 days. 2 days I whipped this up. So I'm pretty proud of myself, and I love the fact that it folds, and how I'm keeping it holding up is a popsicle stick. That's how I'm keeping that up. And I did glue the fireplace in, but then I changed that, and I just glued a magnet on the back, so it's kind of like holding up a little bit. And those little teacups are for Temu. It was a necklace along with the teapot. I think I said that in another clip. I can't remember, but I'm just going to jumble them all together. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!